In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your domain settings by adding an A record or C name in Hostinger. Whether you're trying to connect a subdomain to a new server or simply need a refresh on updating DNS records, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. This is where all your domain magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger dashboard surrounded by a wealth of options and settings. Don't let it overwhelm you. Our focus today will be on the DNS zone editor. Navigate to the DNS zone editor. This area is where you manage your domain's DNS settings, which are crucial for directing internet traffic to the right places. If you have multiple domains, make sure you've selected the correct one for which you want to add or update the records. Understanding where your data lives and how it's controlled can save you a lot of headache down the line. Moving on, it's time to add your A record or C name. If you're connecting a subdomain to a server, you'll likely use an A record, which maps the domain name to an IP address. The sname, on the other hand, allows you to alias a domain to another domain. It's very handy for those situations when you want to point your subdomain to an external service like a blog or an online portfolio. So, based on your specific need, you'll either choose A record or C name. In the DNS zone editor, you'll need to create a new record. For that, you'll see an option to add a new record. Click it. When creating an A record, input the name of your subdomain. For example, if you want blogyourdomain.com, enter blog. For a C name, input your subdomain and specify the destination domain. This action basically says, take this domain and direct it over there. Each provider might indicate the time it takes for DNS changes to take effect, usually a few hours, but it's a good practice to allow up to 24 hours for worldwide propagation. Finally, remember to save your changes. This is crucial. The DNS system won't recognize the new settings until they've been saved. Once saved, the DNS records will begin to work with the details you've just set. So there you have it, a straightforward way to add an A record or C name in Hostinger. By keeping these steps at your fingertips, you can ensure your domain is always pointing exactly where you need it to. Thanks for staying with me through this process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in managing your web domains effectively.